Hey guys, this is Trevor, your average backyard mechanic. Last video we started off, or finished off, on getting all the valves in, go ahead and putting all of our rocker arms and our rollers in. So now we're going to go ahead and bolt down the cam, and I'll show you the torque specs and what we need to do to get that in. First, you need a lot of red stuff, or well, assembly lube, because we don't want this thing getting gnarred up or anything. And I went ahead and took some 2000, I think it was 2000 grit sandpaper, put a little bit of oil on it, and just kind of made sure there was no imperfections, I guess would be the best way to put it, inside the cam journals, or where the cam's gonna ride. Okay. So we got a little bit on each one. Come on, let me grab a pair of gloves real quick. So this next part gets a little bit dirty, I guess would be a good way of putting it, or sticky, because we're going to coat that cam in red assembly lube. So what I'm going to do, and the one thing I've done with this thing is I've coated it in WD-40, just so it wouldn't rust while we were in between videos and stuff. And I did take a rag and shined it all up, cleaned all of this off for the cam sensor. Oop, bumping stuff. And just make sure that all of your rollers are facing up and you're in a good spot, because right now, like, it's kind of just floating above all that. When we put the caps on, we'll actually be pulling it back down and opening up the valves and stuff. Let's get this all lubed up. And these are numbered, and they also have an arrow pointing towards the front of the engine. So one will start back here on the left side of the engine if you're looking at it from the front. And then it'll go to, make sure you have your arrows facing towards the front of the engine where the accessory belt would be. 3, 4, 5, and then it restarts on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7. 9 and 10. Oh, what the? Oh, that's gonna take forever. Get these tightened down a little bit. Normally what I'll do is do a couple turns, just trying to get the cam sucked down. So I'll do a couple turns on each one and just keep moving around until I have the cam pulled down flat. And just make sure that your rocker arms are all sitting straight up and down like they should be. Alright, now we'll get the torque wrench out and get my adapter. Tore apart behind me. Okay, so turn you back. Right around there. Alright, and there you have it. Cams are in. All of our rocker arms look good. They're all facing up there, nice and pretty. Same on this side. And I'm going to end up wrapping this thing in a plastic trash bag for now and putting her up on the shelf, and it'll be ready to go on the next one. So Yeah, I mean.